now the ice is melting, onto my very precious skin serums.
Okay, I'll just put my meat on your shelf.
What? No!
But you're only using half of it.
So? It's my shelf, which means I'm entitled to the full allotment of the space, whether I use it or not.
Ridiculous. I'm putting my meat there. Actually, I kind of need Bucky's extra shelf space, so Zeds can't stop ruining my experiments.
It's not extra! It's mine!
Order! Order! I refuse to let this fridge tear us apart, which is why I'm doing the noble thing and taking the extra shelf space for my sparkling water.
It's not extra! Well, guess what? I can mind gavel too, Zed. Gavel, gavel. I hereby declare the entire mini fridge is mine. I'm taking the whole thing.
Bucky, don't do this.
Give me that. Let go of the fridge.
Run! I said, run?
Why, so you can keep the mini fridge all to yourself? Fat chance, bud.
I mean, we face monsters like this like once a week. I think we've even seen this exact one before, just in a different color.